night show. Today we tell us say we get topic for today's show. We just decide say we not go follow any guest talk today because of the topic when we say take crowd. This one the woman don't talk and take, but we just the one guest will come today, another guest will come today. We not go fit chook mouth on top am. And Nakatim then they send this message. So I don't know whether now you go fit talk and where. I've been easy big go fit talk and where.
No, Kasim go fit talk.
Like Kasim go fit talk. Now you then give the gist talk am now.
I don't go fit. My voice there.
Okay. Anyway, Katim give us the gist. What's in there for the matter? Now one woman now send this message. I don't know where the woman. Now you know where the woman send her from. Now one woman now send us this message. Her husband, the wiping gauge of the husband is too high. Now she done the complain. The man they wipe her how many times?
6 times.
6 times every day.
Those age.
6 times every day. Now the man they wipe her. Now she
born 6 children.
And they born 6 children. Now he say he wipe. Now he say 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, and 2 at night. Jesus, 6 times. Now the man they wipe her every day. Now she don't come tire for the thing. She don't tire for the thing. So her question now. Where she did, we make him send a message, give Katim, now say, make she allow, because as she not fit take him again, now make she allow the husband go outside, go the wipe, or make she endure the 6-course meal of the wife.
She says she don't tire to enjoy the wiping.
Or make she endure the 6-course meal of the wiping they collect them. If not me, I know what I'm going to say. But now,
if you be waiting the woman.
The woman now. Anyway, our phone numbers go there on top of TV. Make una begin the call us from now. Today for Chukmat for this matter. This woman, when they say get this wahala, she dey watch the show already so that she go fit get a solution to this her problem when they say they on top her neck. You know, say some kind of woman then go tell you say no be problem. Especially that woman when they say that woman will call us one time, say her husband only 4 times for 11 years so they don't marry the man don't wipe her. Wow. Anyway,
what is good for the goose is good for it's not good for the one man's meat is another man's poison.
Our phone number is on top of TV now. Make it begin call us. And then if you want to send us tweet message at W9 Show on top Twitter, make it send us your message. Tell us what do you think about the matter. What you think made the woman do? Now make she allow, make the husband continue the pound the yam way in the pound for 6 times a day, or make he give the man approve. Make the man go outside. Go the Kotaraji, you know, they move from one location.
So that he go reduce the number of times.
So that he go reduce the number of times where the man they disturb her. But if they reduce the number of times, how many times? Now, even if you allow make it go outside. Even if you allow make it go outside, what thing will make you think that the man will still come back house, come want to stop for wiping again?
No, maybe for her mind, he say, because he don't already they wipe for outside. In desire to in hunger, na economics. You know?
But wait, the question why I won't ask
in
first
hunger
of all.
for wiping for a house.
The man not they work.
Reduce. They work together now.
Well, now how you go take wipe 6 times? Meaning say you go wipe early in the morning when you wake up. Like 6 o'clock in the morning.
Maybe not the attraction when he get toward his wife.
He gets some kind of attraction with the wicked. This is evil attraction. You go wipe 6 o'clock in the morning.
Like Nollywood film.
You go wipe 6 o'clock in the morning. Maybe one can go walk. Na Lagos then dey?
Yes. When you want go walk.
Wait, na Lagos then dey?
Yes, na Lagos.
When you want come go walk again, you go quick collect another one again. Before they sleep. No! Before we sleep, you go walk now.
No, for night.
Wait, count up. Now 6 times every day. 6 o'clock in the morning. For instance example, na 6 o'clock in the morning. You don't wipe 1. It remain 5. From Abuja, good evening.
Maybe not be once in the wipe at a go. If you wipe twice.
My name is Chris Johnson. I'm calling from Abuja.
How you doing, my brother? How is your ministry?
I'm very fine, Nedu.
My brother, what do you go advise this woman make she do?
Nedu, the day they got married, they said for better, for worse.
Hey.
And every woman will want to keep his husband
to herself.
In every aspect.
Okay.
Now, if I will advise the woman, there is no need asking the husband to go out. Because biblically it's wrong.
Okay.
Now, let's just put it this way. If the husband decided to be giving the woman 1 million naira in every round is going, the woman will take it. He will not want the husband to go out. So my own advice to her is, on that day of their wedding, they said for better, for worse. So it's left for her to sit the husband down and tell the husband, this is it. This thing is getting too much. Can we reduce it?
Okay.
This is a discussion between themselves.
Chris,
As a man,
Chris,
as a man,
Chris,
if your
Chris,
wife tell you,
she don't discuss this according to what Katim talk. She don't discuss and before now 9 times. Now they can't do that to 6. The man not fit go below 6.
They reduce and small now.
the woman say you supposed to
Now,
hear the woman
just
voice.
like what I said.
I wish say the woman fit call us.
The woman say,
Will she complain?
Katim, I'm tired.
Anyway, Chris, we don't hear you. Thank you very much. From Port Harcourt, good evening.
So maybe it's not all about the money.
Hello, good evening from Port Harcourt. John, the Baptist. Now, I am dying say, case not be small thing, no, but to make she sit down, the man tell him. You see, according to what Katim don't talk, from the gist, how this is done, the woman don't discuss with the husband tire. The man, what did they call that English? Libido. The man libido not be here.
Yes.
It be like what if that person where David kill?
Goliath.
It be like Goliath. It be like 12 people libido.
My brother.
The man not can't take it. Yeah, on the way.
Even me self shocked. The time when she called me say, Katim, I'm tired. I say, madam, how many children you born? He says 6. Now quiet.
6 children. Now another person on Adekule forward say the woman just gas endure am. Yay. Gas endure am unless she not take the oath for their wedding. Man na the boss. Yeah. And then it's on the beat say I suggest she should endure because the wiping is for better for worse.
Now punishment.
Na punishment? Because if na me be the woman, I know what I go do. And then you okay, sorry. I have phone number there on the TV, make una call. Now you know what I try analyze them now. So because according to what you talked about 9 times before, the man don't beg. The woman don't beg now, it don't reduce to 6, and the man not go below 6. Now in that case, the man go up at 6 o'clock in the morning, take one hand. Then when he want go work, go tell the wife, baby, one for the road. He collect another one for the, which means he remain 4. Now, what they ask now? When he go take the remaining, he go come back for break, come take.
You know that they work together.
Oh, do they work together?
So it's not hard now.
The same office. The same office. Oh.
So it's not hard.
Oh.
Next.
Worse. COVID.
And your mom, woman, take it outside. Basket. Take it inside. Hello from Kano. Good evening.
Good evening. My name is Joseph.
Joseph, how is you?
Would they find
How is your ministry?
my ministry is moving by the grace of God.
Chook your mouth for this talk.
15 wife was nice woman. We say marriage is better for all.
Okay.
But she should take her to follow the man.
She should what?
May she they collect the 6 dosage every year.
Every 6 times every day now. She even down to some people know they even go even 2 times a day.
I agree, my brother.
She see the person they give her 6 times a day, she complain.
Okay, now okay, for your own now, may she begin take am for the 6 times a day.
A day, 6 times a day. Marriage is better for what?
Okay.
Thank you.
Now, okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Jerry. You know, from Lagos, good evening.
Hello.
How you doing, my brother?
Fine.
How is you, Okonkwa?
I'm fine.
Talk your talk for this talk. Where would they talk?
This thing where I talk, I ask the woman 1 time, 6 times.
No, now the man 1 time 6 times.
No, not
the
one
man
time.
1 time, 6
A
times.
man they.
The man they give up, not be say in 1 time.
Ah.
Now she they complain, say she not fit take am again. Whether make she allow make the husband go outside, go they collect, or
Maybe have a pity for the woman now. Maybe they go divide her into 2. Maybe they go to do it 3 times.
well, see, Okonkwo, the thing where they be say, make I tell you the truth. According to think Katim talk, now 9 times the man they do before. How you tell the dog, I not even know. But now beg, they come the deduction to 6. Now that 6 now the man nothing go down. It must be that 6 because and anytime we not give that 6 now wahala they day.
Yes.
So therefore she said don't tire. The way she take talk 13. Now she they ask whether may she allow the because
the man will kill the woman.
Because the man don't tell her don't say if she not they give him, he go begin go outside. So if now you what you go say make the woman do?
The man will give him Blake now.
May give him Blake happy.
Okay, my wife wants comment. I know the thing where you go talk.
Give your wife phone quick.
Hello.
Madam, how is you?
I just find no me. What's now? Maybe just a break. Maybe give themselves break.
Which kind break?
Break.
Or midterm break?
Break of how long?
Break of how long?
I don't know. But maybe just give themselves break.
Madam, I can ask you, how many times you and husband they do in a day? Achia. See, all of now when they talk this is say make them give am break.
It's easy to talk.
It is easy for una to talk. Yeah. Now the man don't tell the woman say if he not give am that 6 times where he want, he go begin go outside. Now the woman now don't dey in a fix. Now she dey ask, but she allow the man they go. I be make she dey collect am. Hello from Lagos here. Good evening.
Hello, good evening, my brother.
Good evening.
Christian, how is you?
I'm fine, what can you do?
Ngwa talk.
Yes, that man, what I think we should do to that man, let 2 of them, I think both of them, they're actually working in the same office. Because if the man, they do counseling, if you just tell the person when they counsel, say, hold on, I'm coming. You just go take 1 round. Then before you know it again, if you just enter inside the fruit, say, make him do anointing. One go take olive oil. You take another round. That is, I'm just trying to calculate how it's doing it too. So you go do and go say, go complete.
Some fit be 2 in 1.
So I think what you need to do is to allow the wife to go elsewhere and go and work. While the husband remain in the church for the ministry of the job. That is the best solution. But as long as both of them are together there, that will always happen constantly. Then I think you people should publish her picture because I think the woman have offshore and onshore. Maybe her booters big well, and her traffigators are trafficating properly. So
He don't do. Princess, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing?
Yeah.
I'm fine.
Talk, pick your mouth for this talk.
Onshore, offshore.
What you going to talk? Make the woman allow the man, make the man go outside.
When she allow the man go outside.
Yes, make the man go outside.
Why?
Why
Why you talk so?
What I talk to the thing is this woman died. You know what to bring another woman in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, Princess. Now, you know, say I don't calculate this in for my head. 6 times every day what this man they do. If the man allow the woman, allow the man, because of fear of say, she know make the man go outside, because say, oh yeah, one can come and be doing it. I don't calculate them. 2,190 times every year. 2,190 times.
Per annum.
Per annum. Now it be Agbef! Agbef, I want dance for you! Hey! Agbef! How far now? Agbef, where you go? We come up for somewhere. Go TV.
Me and the best to go and buy Go TV now. Because of you now, I go buy Go TV.
Go buy am quick.
Tomorrow, I go buy Go TV tomorrow.
Your wife's there house.
I know it's not there too.
Okay, Agbef, make I tell you what we dey discuss.
Your wife done born now.
Yes.
Agbef, you know the topic we dey talk about, make I tell you.
Tell me that.
Now, what in there for the topic be say, one man here and a wife, the man they wipe in wife 6 times every day. Now the woman self don't contact for the 6 times every day. You know when they give the man sometimes, the man come begin threaten him, say if he not get that 6 times dosage every day, he go begin go outside. Now the woman now they ask us question now say, make she allow the man they take 6 times a day, or make she make the man go outside.
Because
go
she
dey
did,
do.
so she don't tire.
Because she don't tire.
Make the woman continue for waiting they do for the man before make complete assist.
May compress the 6 times every day.
Yes, make the man not go outside.
How many times? 2,000 how many times?
Get outside. You feel like when you do go outside. You know, come back again.
Calculate and
so
give her birth.
Your people don't get one. When they get for 7 for outside. So that's my life.
Okay, if you get the one, we're going to give her 7 or 12. All right, Agbef, thank you very much. Here you come. Well, good night. Now, on top Twitter, I am Dio. Kakatim Biko.
That you say that case not be small thing, no. But to me, make she sit the man down, tell him, say she go like reduce him.
From Lagos here, good evening. Ada?
Yeah.
My sister, how is you?
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah. This man, you say he's a pastor.
No, he's not a pastor.
Pastor.
Not be pastor.
What is he doing as a profession? Is he a businessman?
Businessman.
Na businessman.
Worker?
Na businessman.
The way I look at it, he must be a lazy man. Because if he's a serious person with his business or whatever he's doing, I don't think he will have time to be thinking of torchlighting the wife or whatever. But in other words, let him look for a medical solution.
Madam, you know say him no go. No, him no go. Now in the enjoy the thing. So he will not go and look for help for something where in the enjoy.
For me, he must look for if he loves the wife. For me, he doesn't love the wife. That is not love.
Okay.
If it's love, he will know that the woman is not a machine that he will be riding every time.
Okay.
And she has other house issue to handle, the children to handle. Where did she get the stamina to handle him 6 times in a day?
Okay.
He should look for medical solution or he needs deliverance. Because that thing is not a good spirit.
You know, say, they're not white before they marry.
Ada?
Notwithstanding. Yeah?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Ada. Good night. If I from Lagos, good evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
How you doing, my brother? How is your ministry?
My brother, my ministry is very, very fine.
Ngwa, check your mouth for this talk.
The thing with this now, make the woman no go, make the man no go outside, though.
Make the man not go outside.
Make the man no go outside, though. Because if the man go outside, I'm just saying the man don't get your family, oh. So that man,
Because he go get another 6 children outside.
That man go double another woman outside, though. Maybe some women they will give her like 10 times every day.
Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you very much.
Make the man no go outside. The woman will get another family, oh. Will lie.
All right. Thank you very much.
See, they talk that thing like.
Thank you. Anyway, now for you now, we'll go back small chicken break. When we come back, we'll go begin taking our phone calls. We'll just take small break. When we come back, we'll continue till on top of the night show.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.